I'm gonna. There I got Shulk. You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta pick.
I did.
All
Oh,
right.
wait.
Now pick your color.
I did.
Okay, let's try somewhere else.
Now do Skyloft.
Oh, let's try Mario Galaxy. Looks interesting. Gigamac. Oh, it gives you get tips.
Roy's in here? Look.
Oh, they gotta have all his children in here. What? Check the speed.
Holy shit, I totally ran into that one.
Knockout. It's power punch. Oh, is that a fairy in a bottle?
Yeah.
Look at that trophy.
Whoa. Ow.
What two?
Why is there a shield on your ass? There's a shield on your ass.
Yeah, there's a shell on you,
No,
boy.
no, I picked it up.
Come on, Cassie.
Damn, Mega Man.
What two? Oh, Space Invader.
What the? What the? Where the bullet bill came from?
crap.
Oh, and he took out Mega Man. Oh my god. He freaking fell in.
Bye, Mega Man.
What two? Oh, got the knockout punch. Oh, you're gonna be sorry now. He's gonna get this knockout punch.
Oh, hell.
Knockout!
Shit.
Oh,
Oh,
he hit you.
ow.
I did.
Damn, that was it. Oh, fuck. Ah. Ow, oh, oh,
Knockout punch!
Guppy.
Woo!
You're welcome. You're welcome. That was me, did that shit. I just beat you with leads. Oh, beat you with leads again.
Oh, hell, who got the hammer? Oh, shit. Mega Man got the hammer. Ding, ding. Oh,
Is that that's a bomb chew!
what the hell? Oh, he got a new one
Suck
now.
me up.
Yeah, I think. Oh, you guys are bogey you up. Oh, I guess they got rid of the other one that he had.
Yeah, you can make it.
Where am I? Oh, there I am. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. Oh, no.
Big Mac!
Holy shit! Oh! Did you see Luigi? He smacked the screen. Oh shit!
Who's freaking Pokemon's that one?
That was mine.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, the Pokemon? Yeah, the Pokemon was mine. The other one, I have no idea.
I can feel my ass.
You got telling me what? What the hell? What?
counterattack.
What? What I just had in my shield?
I got. He has a down counterattack.
Ding ding.
Oh!
Spicy, spicy, spicy. Yo! Come here, come here. What is this? Oh, that's what the trophy looks like now?
Did you hear the little trophy sound?
I think so.
Yeah, because I got the trophy already.
What is that?
I have no idea.
It looks familiar.
Oh, what is... Oh, wow!
Knockout punch! Star power!
What if I tackle him?
Ow! Oh, hell, that's not mine.
You can tell whose Pokemon that is now.
Oh, yeah, now you can see whose Pokemon is that now.
It says player 3 on top,
Yeah.
not player 3.
Because before you're going to say, whose Pokemon is that?
Oh! Get ready for the...
Nope, 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 dude. You leave me. Ah,
Yeah, tackle my freaking...
Knockout punch! Oh, it didn't have the knockout power.
ooh, who stink?
Knock him out, boy! What do? I'll take that.
Ah, asshole. Ah!
It's too slow.